Unraveling the Term Ambitious. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving deep into a very interesting word, ambitious. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means but also know how to use it in sentences. Let's get started. Ambitious is an adjective. When you describe someone as ambitious, it means they have a strong desire and determination to achieve something, typically something that requires hard work and effort. For instance, a person who wants to become the CEO of a big company or an astronaut can be called ambitious. Let's see how we can use this word in sentences to make its meaning clearer. 1. She is an ambitious student, aiming to get into Harvard. 2. The company has set ambitious targets for the next fiscal year. 3. Writing a book in 1 month is quite an ambitious plan. Notice how, in each instance, there's an underlying theme of strong desire or a big goal. Understanding synonyms can give you a broader understanding of the word. Some synonyms for ambitious are aspiring, eager, driven, motivated. However, always ensure the context fits when substituting with a synonym. Just for a holistic understanding, the opposite, or antonym, of ambitious is unambitious or complacent. A person who doesn't have strong desires or goals might be referred to using these terms. There you have it, a detailed exploration of the word ambitious. Remember, being ambitious is all about having big dreams and the determination to achieve them. We hope this video has been helpful. Keep aiming high and keep learning.